Ghana entertainment industry. Eja. Eyao. Eja. Me no ka say se o hwehwe shattawale ewo Ghana. Medofo enya ade abehu no. Se o hwehwe Wale ewo Ghana. Enya ade abehu no. Me no ka say Wale akopie mu ewo UK anase London mem. Na ekwan ya shattawale fa so kopie London no. Eno any talkability for the day. On say Nigeria for na hunahuna yache. Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido. On say saa nkrofo mabubu omu din ne one or two Nigerian musicians bi, omu A-list artists ni bi. Omu sua saa de no every hip hop and R&B culture. Ekwan ya na Nelly, Tupac mo, B.I.G, Puffy, Snoop, 50 Cent mo. Omu fa su tu kwan, omu tu kwan ya. Imagine camera diomachi girls correct ones on tia say cars papa na do omukwa airport omuduru airport a enye commercial flight no mo for omu say use private jet later ne ko say sa nyoma ni nyina no na eye well calculated anyoma ema wiase who those musicians no say omu ye extra human beings be one like omu ye bibibi enu ti Nigerians no so ye smart enu ti Nigerians no so nye opportunity omu so start so omu ye nyom Afrobeat and your my family who said they need that lifestyle. Ebe put you more on the map. And I think say it's about time. Now I was saying so Ghana entertainment industry and I say Ghana music industry no so no. Yenya sabi obi o wosu small beti ma Ghana phone chiri mani nyina who said there be sad na other musicians say you America, you Nigeria, and other parts of the world. No, yes, you bet me because and you crona no moto. Streaming numbers crona ni YouTube crona ni you go. And minim crano. This is the second time shattawale eko etu kwanya kwaye ni event who be where you use private jet. Enche bia Shatta eko Jamaica from America to Jamaica. So when you my enim Wale and a private jet and a call Jamaica Vibes Cattle show na se ko perform here. And now no Wale who say pempen so na no what drew on you no. Say ko baby ako perform here. Na ye outside Ghana. Baby what drew no e was a private jet and odeko. And you know do no ma started tempting kwano. Enye bibia Wale who say and so na what drew any sika wa make it from music no what drew that lifestyle and you know sabi so your young talent be na fe na ba na yiro ho yeah that lifestyle na you hu no TV so no e possible Wale lifestyle in entertainment industry no and your competition no Ghana competition be any ho me kind of crash baby Wale drew our music industry mu no oni my dear friend competition o live life sir my friend say nyame ye wadom na utimi tu kwan tem oba enyoma koye ma wanya nkrata bia wasisi ufie ba ko mienu bi wanya ka papa bia kwahye watimi enya setan abrochire wawo ma wo ye wadwuma kama utimi boss abrabo ni nyina awie sabi u ma me no papa kra afiri mu aboabo anua mu awie a dia aka no your friend a hotel and no na me bookie me call vacation wo Miami o sa brabo na mu no wabo awie anu ti Wale now no baby a why nyuma kodru ene ne catalog ni sika onya every month no sa shattawale ko baby na o use private jet me dofo to me enye news mpo I'm telling you but o say Ghana no sabi ya ka tire kakra anunti always know we need somebody wo sunsuma obetimi e push ya adwene obetimi motivate obetimi akenya ye ne ehun say no nyoma na ye hu wo screen is no e possible Wale akopie mo London private jet from Accra Kotoka to London efe enika akono wale konso no ye nyina ehu yi wo hwe screen so na edi wo hwe screen so na edi adanse no. It's not about competition. It's about living the lifestyle. On say ufri cry come woman bibi say no wan hwe ya obi beka say eh ni aduane ni na shattawale te private jet mu ni nyoma normal. And I think say ye A-list artists no, ye top artists. Now I think say traveling to UK, America, need these places with private jets. And I think say Ghanaian musicians ye duru ho. Just that we needed someone who sunsuma live with that lifestyle no. I'm gonna be normal. I'm a duru ho no. Sabe omusube say no lie. Because a Bonah boy could perform not a private jet ma. How much more shattawale? And you me no say shattawale is in London, and I know say Wale is in London to activate the event now over here on the 1st of August 2026. Shattafest UK 2026. And unti ana shattawale about London. Event nankasa nyankopon yadma I think say is on the 1st of August. 1st August. And unti bia wo we ase afana ba bia sa event no opese obabia date no 1st August e wo London. Nemum me no kasa ide Wale aba for activation. I think say or radio tour, TV tour. Obe meeting the fans, wow. Obe meeting bloggers, obe meeting media. Now no about back-to-back content from shattawale from London. And you know, we have to get ready. What I say, you have to get ready. And it's metaphor say Unto will take it for Ghana party in the park 1st August. And my kasabi bree. Un say before Wale ever back UK, you who is amount for I started propaganda be amount for cancel. And your artist ni be home intimi ntu kwan. Oh, me can show him pass nya me ne. Me can show him and so nya me ne. Me pese me bo obi adi wa ye nyina anim nipa. No mo hye ase mo push that narrative. What would they make sure no? And one thing amahuni many free e Ghana entertainment industry mu no. Nipa dodo a o ma we hye shattawale bad ni nyina no enwie omuye nipa dodo a mehu so mo wehye se bone ento shattawale no san krofo no ene ye pe omo e wo Ghana entertainment industry ma ye hu omu biem susukru a wo besusu ama unya no nia otu na mena no se utu amena se shattawale nkotoma you're very careful because based on my research on the diplomatic condition of shattawale's life in Ghana entertainment industry, no. Dodo na oma wehye no bad ni nyina no bedofo enwie omuye. And mama taking this opportunity na men kan kire Ghana for ye wo achichi ne bencheye e wo Europe nyina sa nya me ya adoma ye wo events bebre na ebekoso sama we e wo London. Nia odono no nia oho beso no ko support no at the end of the day yetimi sell horse ni nyina e wom say artist no be feel big obetima be kika nsema be bubu akutia ni nyoma which is very normal but the bigger picture is Ghana now winning. Even Nigerians ne sell horse no and non say bia Nigerians nim they are together na say bibisa but at the end of the day no what no abonte say Nigeria for sell horse na bigger picture near Nigeria and your individual artist. And I think say it's about time I was say Ghana so yensu you move it to that level ni bi. Ye gina baby ye gina na che. Ye gina baby ye gina na che. Ye move ya ebebo ye nyina. Sabi mpanifo say enkwan ye da enye bakofo na edi. Enkwan eye da enye bakofo na edi. Ye gina baby ye gina na che. Ase ye tware ye ho e wo ha na che. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon nhyira wo. Na onte nanim kyerɛ wo. I'm out.